Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra and I will show you how easy you can apply tempered glass on display in this phone. So at first you have to remember to prepare good good lighting condition to see every mess that we have on our display, like fingerprints, grease marks and, for example, dust. In this phone you can find curved display, but I have only this flat version of the screen protection, so I will not protect the edges. We have to remember that I don't have here this glass, so it will be the installation process for the flat glass. In the box you will find this kind of the glass, and also you will find two wipes. And by the way, the installation process will look the same for the flat version or the curved version of the glass. The steps are the same. Right now we are going to open the wet wipe. Actually, it's not wet, it comes dry. So if this happened to you, you can use something like the window cleaner. Apply it a little bit on the wipe. And right now you can just make few moves to remove mess from your display. Right now we have to grab the dry wipe and we have to remove wet marks. So just make it like that. Okay, and right now we have to grab this protection glass and we have to remove this sticker. So grab it like that and then just gently remove. Next you have to hold this glass like that in the two fingers. And at the first we are going to start applying on the upper section of the display. So keep holding the bottom part and put the glass for the upper section of the display. Put it like that. Press here on your finger and then release to put the bottom part. Okay, right now we can press with your finger to stick this glass to the display a little bit faster. And that's it. Right now the glass is applied. So the next step, you have to grab this wipe and remove glue marks that you will find under the glass. So we have to simply press on them. Okay, and right now we can turn on the screen and let's check how the sensitivity works. Okay, as you can see, there is no problem with the touch interaction. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.